Hey Florida State, I'm Faith Hayden and this is Nole Talk News. We're here at the Dick Howser Stadium supporting FSU baseball as they host the Tallahassee Super Regional Series. The Florida State Seminoles took on the Yukon Huskies for the first time since they faced each other in the 1957 College World Series. The Seminoles swept the Huskies in 2 games and are now heading to the College World Series. FSU baseball has the most super regional appearances in the country, coming in at a total of 18 trips. Right across Chieftain Way is home to the world-famous FSU Flying High Circus. Founded in 1947, the Flying High Circus is the only collegiate circus in the United States with a big top tent. However, on May 10th, 3 tornadoes touched down in Tallahassee, destroying the iconic circus tent and leaving much of its equipment damaged and unusable. With considerable effort and help from FSU and circus supporters, the rebuilding process has already begun. The full circus will be back in action as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. You can read more FSU stories at news.fsu.edu. I'm Faith Hayden, and as always, go Noles!